Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie, and on today's episode, we're gonna make Eggs Benedict. And maybe I'll have Winnie help us out. Do you wanna help us out? No? You got a haircut, if you can't tell.
Yo, he's so cute.
To start our Eggs Benedict, we are going to make our poached eggs. Sounds very intimidating, but it really is not. Now to my water, I'm going to add a tablespoon of vinegar and like a pinch of salt. And the vinegar, what that does is it helps bind the egg white to the egg. So everything, in theory, will be nice and pretty and tight together. Does it always work? No, but it does help. And for the water, you don't want it to be like a rolling boil. You want it to be a good simmer. So you definitely want bubbles, you want things moving, but we just don't want to like cook our eggs super quick. We want a runny yolk and firm egg white. Okay, so we've got our water. It is bubbling, which is what we want. I went ahead and added the vinegar and the salt, so we're good on that. Now we're gonna crack our eggs and we're gonna put it in the ramekin and then gently release it into the water. And then I just have some ice water here. So after we cook it, we're gonna pull it out and put it straight in the water. Okay. Now one thing you wanna do is you want to kind of create a little whirlpool in your water. So I'm just stirring this. And then I'm gonna turn my heat down just a touch. And then we're just gonna release it into the water. While that one's going, we're gonna do this next one. Same thing, stir it and release it. There we go. And then I'm gonna set my timer, if my timer will work. We're just gonna do it for about a minute. And you don't want your eggs to sit on the bottom. If you're gonna serve these right away, you can cook them for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, and then they should be perfectly done, meaning the whites are cooked and the yolk is still a little runny. But since we're going to basically par cook these, I don't want to cook it for the full time, because then if we put it back in the water, then it's gonna overcook, and I want my yolk done. All right, so my timer is going off. It's gonna dump it right in there. And that just helps the cooking process. It just halts it. This one was our second egg. I'm gonna stick that back in for just about 30 seconds. It's still a little too jiggly. I'm just gonna reuse this water when we put our eggs back in. So I'm just gonna skim off this extra egg white. And someone had thought I was throwing trash onto the floor. I'm not. I have a garbage can right next to me, so it's all good. Now we're gonna cook our Canadian bacon or ham, whatever meat you would like. And then we're gonna toast our, what are those things called? English muffins. Yes, words are hard sometimes. This little hot plate does not take long. Now because our Canadian bacon is very lean, I'm just gonna add a touch of oil in the bottom. You don't need a lot, just enough. And we're just making this for one. If I can open my package here. Goodness. Sizzle, sizzle. Winnie smells this bacon and he is interested. Smells so good in here. And really all you want to do is just warm this up. I like the brown on the edges. Okay, now, while our pan is still hot, if I can split split this, Oh my gosh. Okay. Here we go. I love butter. So I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. Put some of those, a little bit of that oil. We're soaking up all that ham flavor. And again, we're just trying to get some nice color on this. The one thing about Eggs Benedict, you want to kind of have everything ready to go at the same time. You can cook the eggs first, have them sitting in cold water, cook the ham, have that ready, get your bread ready, because the Hollandaise is going to take no time at all. And I'll show you how to do that as soon as we're done. Okay, that looks good. Oops, come here, little fella. We're gonna turn that off. I'm gonna go ahead and put our water back on so it's ready to go when our Hollandaise is ready. Okay, so to build this, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything ready. So I've got my English muffin, I've got my ham, and then the next thing we're gonna have to do is our egg and then the Hollandaise. Okay, for our Hollandaise, we are gonna go ahead and melt 1 stick of butter. Now we need to separate 4 eggs. So we just need the yolk. We're gonna save the egg white for scrambled eggs or omelets, whatever. If you let your eggs sit out for about 15 minutes or so before you use them, it makes it a lot easier to separate. Usually, not always. Sometimes, you know, they don't want to cooperate. Okay, that looks good. So you can just put that in a airtight container, stick that in your fridge, and they'll be good for about a week. Before I get that Hollandaise going, I want to show you how we're gonna finish the cooking process of the eggs. Our water is ready. So the same method, you want to make sure that your water is simmering, not boiling. Don't spill the water on your stove. And then we're just gonna cook our eggs for about 1 minute. You just wanna dry them off and then gently place them on your ham. That one egg did so good. It looked so pretty. The other one, it could be better. Now, our Hollandaise. All right, we're gonna put our 4 egg yolks into our mixer. You want about a tablespoon of lemon juice, which is about 1 lemon. And I'm just putting it right in here. And my husband figured out this method and it has been amazing. With our mixer running, turn this baby on. And while this is blending, we're gonna slowly pour in our hot melted butter. And then to thin it out just a little bit and to keep it from separating, we're gonna pour in just a little bit of hot water. So maybe like a tablespoon or 2. So this is gonna be loud. Oh my gosh. All right, that looks good. Now, I literally have, I have egg in my hair. Okay. Guys, I promise I know what I'm doing. All right, we're gonna add just a pinch of cayenne and a pinch of salt. And then we're gonna put our lid back on. And we're just gonna blend this on low. All right. It smells so good. I feel like I need a close-up. Delicious. Okay, guys. We're gonna give this a little taster after I take a picture, because I need a picture first. And then we're gonna taste it and I'll let you know. Oh, you know what? We need oopsies. Got a little much on that one. Okay, guys. I don't know if you can see, but it looks delicious. Let's see if we cooked our egg good. This one, I know, it just looks delectable. Oh gosh, yes, guys, look at that. That oozy center. How's this one look? Oh yeah, we did good. Okay. That's very hard to eat this without making a mess. Ah. The sauce is so creamy. The cayenne really helps, like, just takes it to another level. The ham, the crispy on the whatever that thing is called, the egg McMuffin, not egg McMuffin. English muffin. Whatever, guys, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I hope you make this. Make it for your mom, make it for your wife, make it for yourself. Whatever you want to do, just enjoy it. Drink some champagne, have a mimosa or a Bloody Mary. That's my drink of choice. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna eat this. Oh, Winnie, you wanna say hi to all the moms? No. We have our daughter's dog here, so we have 4 dogs now this weekend. You wanna say Happy Mother's Day to all the moms? Say Happy Mother's Day. I cannot stab this for the life of me. Hey guys, welcome back. I can't get it. It's a Liberty. Liberty. Oh my gosh. Winnie, are you gonna help me? Liberty, you're being loud. I've added the vinegar. Alexa, no one is talking to you. Oh my God, to get your life together, Stephanie.